Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to unban someone from Discord server PC. To check and manage bans on your Discord server, the first step is to open the official Discord website in your browser. Once the page loads, make sure to log in with your username and password. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to sign up before moving forward. On the left-hand panel, you will see a list of all the servers you are part of. Then, go ahead and click on the server where you want to check the bans. Another way is to simply click on the server name at the very top of the channel list. This will open up a drop-down menu with more options. From that drop-down menu, click on Server Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Moderation. This is where Discord stores all the tools related to managing user behavior on your server. Within the moderation area, you will find an option called Bans. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you will be able to search for a specific user either by their username or their unique user ID. Once you type in the name or ID and hit search, Discord will show you whether that user is currently banned from your server or not. If the person is listed as banned, you will also see the option to remove the ban. Simply click Unban, and that user will be allowed back into your Discord server, and that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly check whether someone is banned and, if needed, unban them to restore their access. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got some value. See you in the next one.